So my husband went shopping the other day and he came home with all this makeup and he said, you need to do a video on it. So I said, all right. He paid $15 for this, so let's see what we can come up with. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Samantha and I am just a mom who likes to play with makeup. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back and watching another video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my future upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get into this. So we have roses, smoky, and nudes. So let's see what we can do. These look really pretty. I'm hoping they are pigmented, but for $15 they may not be. I'm already having a hard time opening them. Oh, you just pop it open. I made it way too hard. So here are the colors. They have a really pretty stamp that they used, so they kind of feel a little chalky. I'm just picking random colors to swatch. And just because it doesn't swatch nicely doesn't mean that it's not going to look nice on the eyes. So those are pretty colors, but they're not very pigmented. But we shall see. What else do we have here? We have an eye primer, so we'll be using that. It also comes with, we have a highlight and contour. I mean, this really looks like play makeup. I'm hoping it's not. Alright, so here's a highlight and contour. I don't want to mix my eyeshadow with it. And then this is color correctors. It also comes with lip gloss and blush. I mean, this screams to me child makeup, but I'm holding out hope. Mascara. We have a duo highlighters, and then we have 3 eyeliners. We have a navy blue. Oh, I see. There's 6 actually. So they are half and half. So here's 3. It's very hard to tell the colors. And then here's the other 3. They just are flip-flopped. There are 3 lip glosses. That is a lot of shimmer, but I'm not judging yet. And then we have 3 nail polishes, which my daughter will love. So here are the 3 nail polishes. I kind of like this middle one. And my nails definitely need to be changed. They are crumbling apart. They also come with these tools, but I'm not using those. Okay, that took a lot of work, and I mean a lot. So, yeah. Alright, so let's start with our primer. This is a very wet primer. It feels more like a face primer, and even that, not the best. It doesn't get tacky, it's just wet. So I don't think it's very good. I have to remember what I started with. I want to say I started off with this dark blue, just putting it in the crease, and I'm going to blend that out. Like, it doesn't really pick up, and I'm like in there. They are pressed so hard, and they're all glittery, which, yeah. So I just picked that up, and I'm going to put it in the crease and the outer third. I used this brush and I picked up the lighter blue here, and I just used that to blend the darker blue out a little bit more, just so that it's not too dark. And then on the outer corner, I started off with this blue. I mean, I really have to dig into these. But I mean, the color's coming out. It's just not the best. So I'm going to put this on the outer third. Dragging it in to the crease. I just want to deepen that up. And to make it even deeper, I'm going to pick up this black, which is right here. It's like a grayish black. And I'm going to put that in the same spot and just deepen the outer corner. I didn't add anything else to the brush. I'm just blending. Same thing with the other brushes, just blending it all together. I'm not picking anything else up. I'm going to use a little bit of the white on my brow bone. I'm going to use some of, again, the lighter blue, and I'm going to spray this with my E.L.F. Dewy Coconut Mist. Put that on the inner corner. Using the same brush, I'm going to pick up, oh yeah, the silver right here. And I'm going to do the same thing. Pick it up and then spray. And that's going to go in the middle. That is so much shimmer. So I did try the eyeliner pencils. They did not go over the shadow at all. It just wouldn't go over it. I tried. And I tried. Like nothing comes up, and it's very painful to the eye. So I am not going to use that. I'm going to use just a black eyeliner. You can pick up whatever you have. And now mascara. And the mascara, I know it's cheap. I know this is all inexpensive makeup. And it's hard not to judge it for anything more, but it's just, you'll see. That is the brush. So let's put that on. It's burning my eyes. I had the same problem on this side too. It's such a wet formula that it burns. All right, let's try that again. It is a very wet formula. I mean, it is just so wet. I had the same problem with my other eye. It made my eyes water, and it definitely worries me. Like, what is in here? And here I am adding more. It is not, I don't like it. So far, I don't feel like any of this is worth it. Again, it's $15 for all of it, but so far these eyeshadows were a pain in the butt to blend and to get any pigment. They're all shimmers. Even this one has matte and shimmers. But I think they're just pressed too hard. Hopefully my eye will stop watering. It is pretty painful. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm throwing my brushes around. Yeah, it's very painful. So let's see. Let's try this color corrector. I usually use a peach color corrector under my eyes because they are very dark. So I'm just gonna use my finger. It's a very sticky cream. I mean, that looked like it worked. What a difference. That really makes a difference. It is very sticky though. Not like other color correctors I've used where they're just creamy. This is just tacky. Let's see if I can get a swatch on there. You can barely see it. But it does cover. So I'm going to use a little bit of the peach color corrector on my dark spot as well. All right. and on this blemish that's healing. All right, so that works pretty nice. I didn't try the other 3 shades, but that's all right. Okay. Foundation and concealer are done. And now we're going to try and use this highlighter and contour. I don't know how well this is going to work. It's so tiny, but we're going to try. So let's use the smaller end of my brush and do the contour. Did I get any of it? Okay, I got some. I just need to be warmed up. Let's try my fingers. There we go, maybe? I mean, guys, I hope this isn't a bust. I guess if anything, I'm saving you $15. There we go. We're getting some color. This has the same texture as the color corrector. It's very sticky. Let's try the blender first. We'll use the blender on this half and then we'll use a brush on the other half. I have to really drag. I mean, I don't think it's the best looking. It really just blends to nothing. I mean, you guys just saw it. There's a light contour, but it's not much. I'm pretty sad about that. I'm going to try the other one, the other brownish shade. It's a little bit warmer, so I'm going to try that as maybe like a bronzer. So let's bronze a little bit up here. A little right here. It's just very disappointing. But again, maybe this will at least save you guys some money. If you see this, maybe spend a couple extra bucks and get something else. Because this is not doing anything. Oh goodness. The blush, I think it's also cream. No, it's a powder. Alright, so we'll add just a little bit. I'm afraid of this. I bet this is going to be super pigmented now. But let's go with this lighter pink. This is exactly what I remember kid makeup being. Exactly. I used this other pink right here to build up color. So I'm going to do the same on the other side so that way it matches. Not that I'm going out in this makeup. This is disappointing. I mean, what did I expect for $15? What's sad is it doesn't look awful. It just doesn't look amazing. And I think that nowadays there's so much makeup on the market that you don't have to spend a fortune, but you also don't have to spend the bare minimum. You can get like a $15, $20 kit at Ulta with the Ulta brand, and it's better than this. And that's just a fact. Let's try the lip gloss. So here's the solids, and then we have the gloss. Let's try this gloss first, just because. It has that super sticky feel. And I mean like super sticky. So I'm not a fan of it. Here's the gold on top, like a little shimmer. I'm not a fan. This really reminds me of child makeup. All of it does. I wish I could say that something is good here, but it's not. It's just not. I'm sorry. This is like a brow highlighter. It's not even worth trying. Maybe that's worth it. I was going to do 3 looks with this, but I really don't even think that it's worth the time. I mean, it's just not very good. This is the highlighter. I'm using this gold one. It's just greasy. This is very greasy. I'm so disappointed. I don't even want to do my bottom eye makeup. But should we? I don't like anything about this. I'm not even going to continue. Like I said, I was going to do 2 more looks. Let me just do a couple swatches. They're just not, they're pressed too hard, number one. They're pressed too hard, and like, that's what it should look like, and that's what's coming off. It's just not even coming off my finger. And you can find better nowadays. You don't have to pay. This is awful. This is just awful. I'm so sorry. I don't like to talk bad about a brand, but this is awful. It says luxury cosmetic set too. No, 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 no. Do not waste your money. Don't. And again, it comes in this big set. It's called Beauty Runway. Unfortunately, I don't think anything here is worth it. Like I said, you could go to Ulta and get an Ulta gift set for maybe $30 tops. So $15 to $30. And you can get a bunch of stuff in there, and it's way better. Way better. So you can even see I have a previous video of Ulta gift set, and it was so much nicer than this. I hate having a negative video, and I'm so sorry. But this did not go well. So it's made in China. It's from Walmart.com. It even says on the back of the palette. They're just not good quality. It says $14.98 in the corner. It's a 90-piece makeup set. I hope this at least saved you some money, and that you enjoyed watching me try to use these products, because that was painful. Like, it's just flat out painful, and my eye is actually still burning. So it's not only physically painful, but like, ugh. Okay, well, if I can link this, I will, so you can avoid it at all costs. Or if you see it at your local Walmart, just don't buy it. But I did use my E.L.F products, and they worked out great. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, this huge epic fail of a video. But I hope you have a lovely day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.